Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix password incorrect error after Windows 10 update, but I'm going to do this in Windows 11, but process is similar. So first you need to restart PC and check your keyboard option. So simply go to start menu and go to power icon, tap on restart. Then after you need to check your caps lock and numlock key, it is working. And if you forgot to turn off caps lock, the password will be typed differently. So try to turn off your caps lock or numlock, then after try to enter your password. And your keyboard has some kind of issue, you need to try on your screen keyboard. So that will be available in the sign in options in the sign in screen. So you can try on the screen keyboard. This will be fix the typing layout related issues. So if you have password, you can use the password instead of pin. So on the login screen, choose the sign in options, then after you can select the password instead of pin. So this will avoid the pin related bugs after the Windows update. So next method is you can reset Microsoft account password. If you are using Microsoft account connected with your computer, you can reset that one. So in the sign in option, you can see the option called I forgot my password. When you click on that, you can open it will open your browser and you can reset your password online using your Microsoft account credentials. Then after you can restart your PC and enter your newly created password for enter your system. But if you are not connected with your Microsoft account, you can't do the use this method. And the next method is turn off your internet connection. So you need to disconnect internet temporarily. So first you need to turn off Wi-Fi, or if you are using Ethernet cable, unplug the LAN. Then after you try to log in. Then once you able to log in, you can reconnect internet after the login system, because this will fix the online account verification issues. If your account is not verified successfully on the online, this will be fixed using offline method. If that also not working, you have to boot into the safe mode. So first you need to hold the shift key on your keyboard, then after click on restart button like this. Then it will be restart your computer and it comes to the troubleshoot kind of menu. So you need to select the troubleshoot option. Next method you need to next step you need to select the advanced option. Then after select the startup setting. Then it will be again show the menu. So you need to select the fourth option. So you need to press 4 key on your keyboard. It will be restart into the safe mode. So assume now you are in the safe mode, because same mode also pretty similar to the normal standard mode. So first you need to do is, in the safe mode you need to go to setting like this, tap on setting icon. Then after in the left side menu, go to the Windows update. So you can see update history option in here. So Windows 10 also similar, select the update history. So scroll down and tap on uninstall updates option. So you can see which date you installed the update. So find the latest update you installed on your computer, select that one, tap on uninstall option to uninstall the latest update. This will fix the update caused some kind of login bugs. But if you still logged out, you can do this method. So first you have to restart your computer by hold the shift key, then select the restart option from here. Then it will be again restart your computer. In this time you don't need to select the troubleshoot option. This time you need to select the advanced startup option. Okay, sorry, not advanced startup, you need to select command prompt option. So once you open command prompt, I will open from here like this. You need to type net space user space administrator like this space / active : yes, and hit enter. Then restart and login as administrator. This will help to do the emergency access. So once you log in as administrator, as I previously told, so you need to go to start menu and go to setting. Left side menu, go to accounts, scroll down, tap on family and other users, tap on add account option. So if you don't need to email to login, select the I don't have this person sign in information, select the add a user without Microsoft account, So you can enter username, password and tap on next to create new account. So try to log in using this account. This will fix the corrupted user profile. And the final option is you have to reset this PC. As I previously told, you need to restart your computer by press the shift key and restart your computer. In this time you need to again select troubleshoot, and then you need to select the reset this PC option. Then it will be show two options: keep your files or delete your files. Select the keep your file option, then reset your computer. This will the last reset fix without data loss.